Oh, you're gonna do that, yeah, you're infiniture, going to exit dive. Pick up exit dive. And infiniture. Yeah. Yep. The fuck? Go. Jesus Christ. A little closer, idiot. Hello, let me merge. Yield, you shithead. Pass her back off, lady. She's turning at high beams. Sent her a message. 6, I'm doing almost 75 and a 55. Fuck you. And since this is a well-known speed trap zone, I'm slowing the fuck down. Uh-oh, someone was caught speeding. So it was a speed zone, speed trap, whatever. Yeah, you bastard! I don't think I'm invisible, you know? Really? You couldn't wait the 5 seconds? 2 seconds? You're a little bit close there, dude. You're like more than a little bit close there. American food and vending. Yeah, you idiot. Jesus. Toyota! And exit dive. Hey, I can function quite well. Hey, you. Y'all want to get out of the fucking way? You all want to not piggyback through? Oh dear. Get out of the... Okay. 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 Yep. Always plastering. Fuck you. Stop tailgating a fucking ambulance. Hey, what are you doing, stupid? What are you doing? Come on. Make it mad. Stay in your fucking lane, will ya? Exit dive. Hey, stupid. Stupid. Oh. How about that turn lane, stupid? Did you not see him there? Howdy ho. Take that. Of course you're gonna do this. Of fucking course. You're an idiot. You're a fucking idiot, lady. Dummy Masshola.